So let's talk about why you should focus on your brand in 2024. One of the biggest things that I see companies do is neglect their brand. From a lack of focus on their target audience to their positioning, or not having a unique point of difference, or sustaining that when competitors start coming in and taking over, or a lack of cohesive brand identity, which causes customer confusion. This past year, we saw big stories in brand value. On the one end, we saw a Mattel movie create over $1 billion. Taylor Swift concert alone created $1 billion, and that added to their brand value. On the other end, Elon Musk, well, he erased anywhere from 4 billion to 20 billion from Twitter when he changed the name to X. So here are 3 things I want you to think about for your brand, which will add brand value. Be authentic. Personally, we are drawn to people who are genuine, transparent, and authentic. It is the same with your brand. Second, storytelling through emotionally connecting with your customers creates stronger connections. And last, craft memorable and seamless customer experiences through all touch points. I'm Lisa Peria, Global Brand Marketing Executive. Check out my link for brand marketing tips and free resources.